Our phase 4 objectives would be we want to get all the structures enclosed and almost functional. I think maybe 2 more hits is what's going to take to get this little villa absolutely presentable and working. But people already have slept in some of the rooms and are using the toilet, and the plants are starting to grow. It's starting to happen now. Well, Puerto Rico is it's a hole in dogma. It's a situation where they're in dire straits, and the real people of Puerto Rico are in need. The wealthy people, you know, they've got power, they've got concrete condos and whatever. But the real people of Puerto Rico are in need of power and in need of water and in need of buildings that won't blow away in a hurricane. And that's what we have gotten an opportunity to do there. And because there is such a need, and because Puerto Rico is a stepchild of the United States, we are more able to do it there. I got my architectural license there. We're getting more and more connections all the time. It's allowing us to do it, whereas many places throughout the rest of the world, we have to jump through hoops to do it. Puerto Rico, we just went down and did it, and there's not a lot of time wasted. We're just going and doing it. Well, it's just real. This project is my favorite project of all time for many reasons. One is because at this point, after doing this for 50 years, we sort of know how to do it. And 2, it's a place where we're welcome to do it. And 3, there's not really any profit and money involved. It is simply we get to build buildings and give them away, and that means something. It means something in every way. And so the whole motive, the whole group of people involved, the 50 people that help build, that help fund, it is such a group effort and such a big ball of positive energy taking advantage of what we've learned in 50 years that I've just never had the fire burn so hot as it is at this point. Okay, our 4th hit is starting July 19th, and I hope to see as many people there as can fit on that property, because we're going to kill it again and again and again.
That was awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Paul. We'll see you.
Bye.
Bye.